Understanding your tax code, what it means and why it matters. Ever looked at your payslip and wondered what those numbers and letters in your tax code mean? Your tax code directly impacts how much tax you pay, so understanding it is crucial. In this video, we'll break it down simply so you can check if you're on the right one. Your tax code tells your employer or pension provider how much of your income is tax-free. For most people with a single source of income and no special circumstances, the standard tax code is 1257L. But if your tax code is different, don't worry, we'll explain why and what you should do if you think it's wrong. What is 1257L? The personal allowance for most UK taxpayers is £12,570, meaning you don't pay tax on this portion of your income. Your tax code drops the last digit, making it 1257L, where L means you get the full personal allowance before paying tax. If you live in Scotland, your tax code will start with an S, e.g. S1257L, and if you live in Wales, it will start with a C, e.g. C1257L. Why your tax code might be different. Your tax code can vary based on your financial situation. Claiming expenses. If you claim work-related expenses, HMRC may adjust your tax code to reflect that. Emergency tax codes. If you've just started a new job, you might see W1 or M1 after your tax code, meaning your tax isn't being calculated cumulatively. Multiple jobs. Your personal allowance might be split across multiple jobs, or one job may have the standard 1257L code, while the other is taxed under BR for basic rate 20%. Higher tax bands. If you earn more, you might have codes like D0 for higher rate tax or D1 for additional rate tax. NT tax code. If you're not required to pay tax on certain income, you may have an NT tax code. Where to find your tax code? You can check your tax code easily. Payslip. Your tax code is usually listed here. P60. This shows your tax code at the end of the last tax year. HMRC app or personal tax account. This is the most reliable way to view and update your tax code. What to do if your tax code is wrong. Your tax code determines how much tax you pay, so always check it. If something looks off, you can log into your HMRC personal tax account to see how it was calculated. Contact HMRC to request a review if you believe there is a mistake. Your tax code directly affects your take-home pay, so make sure it's correct. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tax and finance tips.